Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys liked the previous video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Some of the settings on iPhone might be hectic for beginners. Today we are gonna learn how to change an airdrop name of your iPhone. Now keep that in mind, changing airdrop name means changing the name of your iPhone. There are a few simple steps by following which you can simply change the airdrop name. Firstly, go to the iPhone settings and then find General. Now inside General you can find About. Click on it. Now on the top, there you can see the current iPhone name. Now click on the name and you can enter the new name for your iPhone. After you enter the new name, click Done, and now you have successfully changed your airdrop name. After changing the name, whenever you try to airdrop anything, the name you just kept will appear. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and please do not forget to like and share the video and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Thank you.